Home Assistant versus openHAB, which one is better? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing Home Assistant and openHAB, two of the leading platforms for smart home automation, to help you decide which one fits your setup best. So let's start with Home Assistant. This platform has a modern interface and a rapidly growing community. It natively supports thousands of devices and offers powerful automation using YAML or a graphical editor. Optional cloud services make remote access easy. Home Assistant is more beginner-friendly and flexible than openHAB, though frequent updates can occasionally lead to compatibility issues and some advanced features might need a bit of tweaking. openHAB, on the other hand, is short for Open Home Automation Bus. This is a Java-based platform that can run on almost any device, from desktop PCs to Raspberry Pi. It supports hundreds of integrations via add-ons and is known for its stability and offline-first design. If you're looking for a rock-solid, reliable smart home system and don't mind a steeper learning curve, openHAB is a solid choice. But it has a downside. The initial setup and creating automation rules can be challenging, which might feel overwhelming for beginners. Looking at them side by side is that openHAB focuses on long-term stability and reliability, making it perfect for a set-in-and-forget-it smart home. Home Assistant is more dynamic and user-friendly with frequent updates and support for the latest devices and features. So which one should you go for? I'll suggest you to choose openHAB if you prioritize durability, reliability, and offline operation and you're okay with learning the system in depth. Choose Home Assistant if you want a more intuitive interface, regular updates, and broader device support, which is ideal for tinkerers who like to experiment and stay on cutting edge. So that was a head-to-head comparison between Home Assistant and openHAB. So if you found this comparison helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.